So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a half double crochet. A half double crochet is often abbreviated by HDC. It's still a good stitch to know, even though not all patterns call for it. Most patterns call for a single crochet, but some do call for a half double crochet. And essentially what a half double crochet is, it gives you a little bit more height to your stitch. So to start, I'm going to wrap my yarn around my fingers, and we're still going to be working into this second chain from our hook. So this is chain 1, this is chain 2, right there. Unlike a single crochet, what we're going to do before we insert our hook in the chain is we're going to yarn over on our hook. And then we are going to insert it into the top of that second chain from our hook. And you'll notice I've got 3 strands of yarn on my hook here. So once we do that, we're going to yarn over, pull through this first one like that, still got 3, and then yarn over, pull through all of them. That's going to give us a little thicker of a stitch. Now we're going to do it again in the next chain, which is this one. Yarn over through the top of that chain right there, yarn over, grab it, go through. We got 3 on our hook. Now we are going to yarn over, go through all of them. Do it again. We're going to yarn over, go through that top of that chain, grab it, yarn over. Then we're going to yarn over again and pull through all of them. We're going to do that for the last chain right here. Yarn over, go through, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through all of them. Whoops. Sometimes you gotta push it through a little bit. But that is going to give us a little bit thicker and higher of a stitch than our single crochet would.